This is the lightning USB 1 meter cable which we bought for iPhone 6s Plus. Lightning cable. I have a damaged cable, so we bought it new. So how we are going to unbox is here. The green sticker is there, right? Here we have to take this sticker. So like how we should open this iPhone lightning USB. So once we open, we can open like this. See, I have opened this. Now we can smoothly open like this. That's it. Just pull this. This is how the lightning USB looks. See? The box price is MR price is 1800. We bought this for 1600. Looking good. Thank you for watching and subscribe openme channel. Thank you.